Hello, I'm Nabihah, and this is the season for receiving gifts for me. Praise to the Almighty. No, I really am grateful. I received something from Slender Wonder. I'm assuming because that's what's written on the box here, Slender Wonder. So I'm wondering what could it be to help me become slender. Please laugh. Okay, what does it say? Let's see. It's the most wonderful time of the year, and there is no reason to fear. Our sweet low-calorie treats are here for you to make sure you enjoy the holiday through and through. Yay! Happy holidays from all of us at Slender Wonder. Slender Wonder has low-calorie treats, so I can eat and eat and eat, and hopefully I'll still be slender. No, I know that's not how it works. So cute. Look at that. It's a nice little baggie, and it has some low-calorie stuff inside. Okay, so let's check out what low-calorie treats I can be munching on. This is the first time I'm receiving something from Slender Wonder, so I won't. Cookies and cream. Mix contents of packet with 200 ml water, stir well. Okay, then vanilla, then choc mint, blueberry, mochaccino, strawberry, instant cappuccino, skinny sugar-free, instant red cappuccino, also sugar-free, and it's sweetened and skinny, lime flavored jelly, what is this, water enhancer, apple and pomegranate flavor, and then this one's another water enhancer, strawberry and lime flavor. Immune Blast, hot or cold effervescent tablets, immune support health supplement with vitamin D, vitamin D3, zinc, selenium and ginger root extract. Ooh, sounds very nice and healthy. Ooh, I definitely want to start with all of this. Slender Wonder, cookies and cream flavored, delicious chocolate coated protein bar. If I don't get into shape now, I have no other excuse, isn't it? Cookies and flavor, yay! So 3 cookies and flavors, cookie and cream flavored, and chocolate pudding, high in fiber, high in protein. Well, Slender Wonder actually knows that I definitely need all of these things. So I'm assuming. Obviously this is a drink. So that's good actually. So then that can be, whenever I feel like I get snackish, then I can either make this or one of these because it's low calorie. Water enhancer, I'm not really a water hater. Like I really love water. I don't mind drinking water at all, but it will be nice to try this out. So you obviously drop it in water, isn't it?
Yeah, to make it flavored.
Okay, cool. And of course, this sounds absolutely delicious. And it sounds like a good alternative for me instead of wanting to go snack on chocolates and cake, which I usually do. Thank you so much to Slender Wonder. I will definitely be trying all of these out. Your jelly and cappuccino, they thought of everything, was quite cool. Thank you so much. I'm Nabihah and I love ZA.